Don't pick the wrong social work degree. What if choosing between a BSW and an MSW now dictates your entire career trajectory and earning potential later? It's a big decision, and frankly, it can be confusing. In this episode, we're going to clearly differentiate between the Bachelor of Social Work, or BSW, and the Master of Social Work, the MSW. We'll outline what each degree offers so you can make informed decisions about which educational path truly aligns with your career aspirations in this incredible field. Let's start with the Bachelor of Social Work, or BSW. This undergraduate degree serves as your foundational entry point into the social work profession. Think of it as building a strong generalist base. A BSW program provides students with a broad understanding of human behavior, social welfare policy, research methods, and ethical practice. You'll gain generalist practice skills, meaning you're prepared to work with individuals, families, groups, organizations, and communities across various settings. Graduates with a BSW are qualified for many entry-level social service positions, such as case management, community outreach, youth work, or eligibility specialists. It's a rewarding path for those who want to start making a difference right after graduation. Crucially, a BSW also serves as an excellent foundation if you plan to pursue an MSW later. And always remember, a high-quality BSW program will be accredited by the Council on Social Work Education, or CSWE. This accreditation ensures the program meets national standards and prepares you for professional practice. Now let's talk about the Master of Social Work, the MSW. This is a graduate-level degree that deepens and specializes your social work education, opening doors to more advanced roles and responsibilities. An MSW program moves beyond generalist practice, equipping you with advanced clinical and macro practice skills. This means you'll learn to provide therapy, conduct assessments, develop intervention strategies, and engage in more complex policy analysis and program administration. Many MSW programs offer specific specializations. You could focus on mental health, children and families, policy and administration, medical social work, or even school social work. These specializations allow you to become an expert in a particular area, leading to a much broader range of career opportunities, including eligibility for clinical licensure. A significant advantage of the MSW is that it's typically the educational requirement for clinical licensure, which allows you to practice independently as a therapist or counselor in many settings. And here's a bonus for BSW graduates. Many MSW programs offer an advanced standing option, which can significantly shorten your degree completion time, often reducing a 2-year program to just 1 year. So how do these degrees truly differ, and what are the career implications? The BSW prepares you for direct service, entry-level generalist positions. You'll be doing vital work, connecting people to resources, and supporting community initiatives. The MSW, however, unlocks advanced clinical practice, leadership roles, and a higher earning potential. With an MSW, you can pursue clinical social work, become a program director, engage in policy advocacy at a higher level, or even go into private practice. While a BSW can get your foot in the door, an MSW often provides greater autonomy, more complex client work, and higher salaries over your career. When deciding which path is right for you, consider your career aspirations. Are you eager to jump into direct service immediately and gain experience? Or do you envision yourself providing clinical therapy, leading programs, or influencing policy at a systemic level? Your answer will guide your choice. Choosing between a BSW and an MSW is a crucial step on your social work journey. Both are incredibly valuable, but they lead to different professional destinations. Understand what each degree offers, consider your long-term goals, and you'll be well on your way to a fulfilling career. My advice? Research specific program specializations that excite you and see which degree they typically require. And remember, the journey doesn't stop here. In our next episode, we'll delve even deeper, exploring the Doctor of Social Work, the PhD, and other advanced practice options. Don't miss it. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay informed on all your pathways to social work success.